As you can see, the watch's second hand is not moving. If I pull it out again, you hear the click. I will turn it. It's pushed in. You notice the second hand is still not moving. I just bought this watch yesterday. I'll keep winding it. Still not moving. Close it. Open. Oh, and it's moving now. Sometimes it works, and then sometimes it stops. Push it back in. I'll close it now.